Hi, it's Jere Marie from AmberMarieandCompany. Come and make this cute bunny cinnamon roll with me today. Hit that subscribe button and follow along for more crazy adventures. So let's grab our ingredients and get going. We need a cookie sheet, we need some parchment paper, and we need a package of cinnamon rolls. The first thing we're going to do is measure out our parchment paper to make sure it fits right on our cookie sheet. I just kind of score around the edge to give myself an idea of where to cut. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect because the cinnamon rolls are not going to the edge. It's just a rough idea. And parchment paper has these little lines, and so you just follow along and cut on those little lines. But you know, you might want to cut straight. I'm not. You turn your parchment paper over and lay it down, and that way it won't curl. You use parchment paper because it's so much easier to bake evenly and to remove your food. Food doesn't stick to the parchment paper. So that's why I love baking with parchment paper. Next, we're taking a package of grand cinnamon rolls. We're gonna open them up. They're Cinnabon cinnamon rolls, so they're gonna be so good. Okay, here we go. There it is. There's our beautiful cinnamon rolls. Put your icing over to the side for later. We've got 5 nice sized cinnamon rolls. We're gonna break them apart and put them on our cutting board. Okay, so to make the little bunny ears, I just rolled this out, kind of got an idea of 2 little ears like this. There we go, kind of make them even. Pinch them down here, like that. Kind of open them up a little bit so you can see. And round it up. So you got a little bunny foo-foo. Carefully pick it up and bring it over here and slide it out. Use a nice thin spatula. And make sure you pinch this good so it doesn't come apart when it cooks. Now keep repeating until you have all 5 little rabbit ears done. Our bunnies are ready to go into the oven. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. The package says to cook them from 23 to 27 minutes. I'm gonna cook them to about 17, 18 minutes and check on them because I thinned them out, they're not as big and they might cook faster. Our little bunnies are out of the oven and ready to be iced. We cooked them about 12 minutes. We're using the icing that came with the package and we're just spreading them on a little bit warm bunny. Look how cute that's gonna be. How easy is this recipe? It's so easy and the kids are just gonna love it. Look at that little bunny. He's just ready for somebody to take a bite. Because we're a lifestyle brand, we do all kinds of things and we love to hear from you, and we hope that you will subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us some comments.